Okay, hello, morning children. How are you? All Tinu Minus, all have come from standard 4th into standard 5th. है ने मोटी क्लास में આવી ગયા બધા હા. Now you become big children. So now you have to study very nicely. Grammar. I'm taking your grammar. Now we'll continue our lesson number 1. All of you open your grammar. Page number 4, 5 and 6 I'll teach you today. So our chapter 1 will be completed. Okay. Now all of you listen to me here. From here. With me you keep your fingers. આંગળી રાખો જ્યાં મેડમ ટીચ કરે છે. You also read with me. Okay. Follow me. See, interrogative sentences are sentences that ask questions. Okay, with whatever questions we ask, those that is known as interrogative sentences. And after a question, we have to put a question mark. When the sentence is completed, we have to put a question mark over there at the end of an interrogative sentence. Do you live in this neighborhood? Question mark. Have you met the new principal? Question mark. Is the assembly over? Again question mark. Now rewrite the given sentences as interrogative sentences. Now they have given us sentences. All of you pay proper attention here. Rewrite, okay? He played the main role in the film. Yeah. He played the main role in the film. Now we want to make an interrogative sentence from this. How will you make? For that you should know this. See children, I don't have a proper board. I am making this at home, so please bear with me. Madam beta chalaavcho. See, for that na you should know this. First person, second person, third person. Singular. Singular means one thing. Singular. And plural. Plural means more than one. More than one. एक करता वधारे हो, that is plural. Only one thing is singular. Okay. Now we have to change these sentences into interrogative sentences. The first one is he played the main role in the film. Now we want to make it a question. What you will do? For that you have to see the verb. Which is the verb here? Played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Played is the verb. Action word. Okay. Now if the verb is in past tense, then you have to add did here. Did he? Now played will be changed into play. Did he play the main role in the film? Yeah. Now here I, we, you, he, she, it. Third person is he, she, it. He, she, it. And here they. Okay. With all this we can use did. I did, we did, you did, again you did, he, she, it did, and they did. You have to start your sentence with did. If the verb is in the past tense, did he play the main role in the film? Now nobody will write did he played. It will be did he play. Now Mrs. Seema Jain is an Indian. This is easy. So is Mrs. Seema Jain an Indian? I will become capital. And in the end there will be a question mark. Mahima met her friends at the station. Did Mahima, now here this is met. Meet, met, met. Past tense, okay? So we'll start with did. Did Mahima, now met nahi. We have to use the main form of the verb. Did Mahima meet her friends at the station? The film is based on a true story. Is the film based on a true story? Children, remember, first letter will always be capital. Capital letter. And last there will be a full stop. Okay children, now fifth one. They were upset with the visitors' behavior. So were they upset? Same. And last question mark, first letter capital. Sandeep ate all the biscuits kept in the jar. Now here the verb is ate. A-T-E. So I explained, you know. If the verb is in past tense, then we have to use did. D-I-D, did. Did Sandeep eat all the biscuits kept in the jar? Now ate is the past tense of eat. So main form of ate you have to use. Our new neighbors arrived yesterday. Did your new neighbors arrive yesterday? Now here it arrived. Past tense is there, so we have to use did. We are dancing to the beats of the drum. Are we dancing to the beats of the drum? Sanya is an S tennis player. Is Sanya an S tennis player? And don't forget to put a question mark, children. These are all interrogative sentences. It looks like it will rain today. Now looks is the present tense of a verb, okay? So when the verb is in present tense, we have to use do or does. I do, we do, you do, you do. He, she, it does, and they do. So here, it looks like it will rain today. Does it look like it will rain today? Okay, now here are exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express strong feelings or emotions. These sentences are used to express sudden joy if you feel very happy, surprise, fear. They end in an exclamation mark. Now what a brilliant idea. Oh no, we lost again. Look, what a huge elephant. How wonderful to see you. Now rewrite the given sentences as exclamatory sentences. The dress is beautiful. What a beautiful dress. He is so brave. How brave he is. Ranjit behaved very badly. How badly Ranjit behaved. It was a wonderful surprise. What a wonderful surprise it was. Okay. Now you are a lucky girl. What a lucky girl you are. It is so nice to meet you. How nice to meet you. The storm was terrible. What a terrible storm. It is such a tall building. What a tall building it is. Look at the long snake. Look, what a long snake. We won the match. Hooray, we won the match. Now all exclamations mark at the end, okay? Now turn last page of our lesson. And our lesson will be completed. Now imperative sentences give an order, command, advice or suggestion. They are also used to make requests to a person. Remember to use please when you request someone to do something. Come here immediately. Tell the boy to wear his shoes. Please, may I borrow your eraser? Always think before you speak. And let the student think about the future. Command, order, request, advice and suggestion. Now these all answers I have written for you, children. So you will have to copy down. Parents, please છોકરાઓને બધી notes લખાવડાવજો. Then they can learn. Test આવશે વચ્ચે પછી exams આવશે. So if they have written, they will be able to write. અને ના સમજ પડે તો વિડિયો તમે again બીજી વાર બતાવો બચ્ચાઓને. So they will be able to understand. અને આ બધું તમે લોકોને they have to copy in their grammar book only. Then grammar is very big. We cannot write a separate notebook. Notebook બનાવવાની જરૂર નથી. Direct આમાંથી learn કરવાનું છે. I'll give you compositions ને જે દેવાનું હશે that I will give you. And I will send you PDF. જેવી PDF આવે એવી બચ્ચાઓને ઉતરાવી દેજો. Children, you all will copy down, okay? You are all in big standard now, 5th standard, okay? Bye everybody.